Close your eyes for a second and picture your dream garden. Maybe it's neat little rows of vegetables or winding flower beds with cozy paths in between. Now, how do you take that idea in your head, actually plan it out without grabbing a shovel just yet? Today, I'll show you how to use Draw.io to design a clear, organized garden layout before you even get your hands dirty. Let's open up a blank diagram and get busy. First, we'll set up our foundation by dragging in some rectangles. Once you have that built, drag in another rectangle and scale that bigger than all the other rectangles. This will create a border or fence around your garden. Now we'll go to the Arrange tab and select 2 back to move the large rectangle behind the smaller ones. Now we'll change the color of our large rectangle to make our smaller ones more visible. Once I'm happy and finished with the background, I'll lock it in place by clicking the padlock icon next to background layer. And now we can add a fresh new layer for all the fruits and vegetables that will go in our garden. If the title of your layer comes up in red font, that signifies that that layer is locked. I've imported some custom shapes into my scratch pad that'll represent the crops in my garden. You can import shapes into the scratch pad with a simple drag and drop, and this enables me to readily drag any of these shapes into my diagram at any time. Now that we have the foundation of our garden layout and all of our shapes into our scratch pad, we can go ahead and add in our apple trees, carrots, lettuce, strawberries, and whatever else you see in your dream garden. If you want to add a little more style to your garden layout, you can add a drop shadow to your desired shapes, and you can also put your layout in sketch mode. Both options can be found in the right-hand side under the Style tab. But you could also customize your diagram even further. In this case, I've created a shapes background layer so we can add color behind each of our shapes. This makes each shape stand out even more. And of course, this allows people who are looking at this diagram to be able to quickly see what fruits and veggies are going to be planted where. And that is it. Your garden layout is ready to grow. With Draw.io, you can experiment, rearrange, and plan before you ever step foot outside with that garden shovel. If you found this video helpful, don't let anything stop you from creating your own layout in Draw.io. And if you want more tips for visual planning, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. See you next time. Happy diagramming.